If you need to cancel a pending transfer on Schwab, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Schwab website or mobile app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Transfers. Once logged in, locate the Transfers section in the main menu. This is where you can view all your pending and completed transfers. Step 3. Find the pending transfer. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Select the transfer. Click on the pending transfer to view its details. This will provide you with the option to cancel the transfer. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation of the transfer. Make sure to review any confirmation messages to ensure the transfer has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel a pending transfer on your Schwab account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.